Whether you're brand new to CAD and looking to streamline your experience, or you're an expert looking to design faster, it's important to know how to customize the SOLIDWORKS interface. Today we're going to focus on the Command Manager. This is what it looks like by default. And this is what it would look like if you enabled every tab. How much of the software you use will determine how much of the Command Manager you may want to enable. You can enable or disable tabs by right-clicking on the Command Manager and selecting items in the list. I'm going to focus on what I think is best for a brand new user, so I'll disable the Surfaces, Sheet Metal, Weldments, and Markup tabs. You're not likely to use these when you're first getting started. The Evaluate tab has lots of useful commands, but you'll really only need the Measure command when you're first starting to model parts. Thankfully, you can get quick measurements of your selections from the status bar, or you can launch the command by pressing the M key on the keyboard. For these reasons, I'll disable the Evaluate tab. I'll also disable the Lifecycle and Collaboration tab. All of its commands can be accessed from the 3D Experience tab of the task pane. Now that the Command Manager tabs have been simplified, let's focus on the individual commands. With the absolute beginner still in mind, I'll remove the commands I think are least likely to be used. I'll just hold down the Alt key on the keyboard and drag the commands off of the tab. You can also use this technique to move commands around the tabs. To add a command to a tab, right-click on the Command Manager and choose Customize. Activate the Commands tab, and then drag an icon to the Command Manager. If you know the name of the command you want to add, you can search for it here, or skip this dialog altogether and just press the S key. Search for the command and drag it from the list. Here's the layout I came up with for someone just getting started with modeling parts in SOLIDWORKS. The view of the Command Manager for assemblies and drawings can be customized too. What do you think they should look like for someone just getting started? Let us know in the comments. And if you'd like to learn more about using SOLIDWORKS, be sure to check out our Software Skills playlist.